This is for y'all G37 owners. If y'all have a car with a crash door like this and want to open it up, and obviously you're not gonna open it up because it's all broken in there, whatever. Under the handle, I say a couple inches there, I just opened it up. There's a little lever right here. You can see it. You pop it up, and the door opens. That's it. Quick update, folks. It wasn't the battery connected terminal, and I even swapped out the whole goddamn sensor. It wasn't that. So maybe I messed it up trying to turn it on the other day when the battery was dead. May have fried something on the IPDM, so we're gonna try that. Or I just need to get someone to diagnose it. Whatever, we'll figure it out. The issue is I don't want to drive. I can't drive it for sure, and then I don't want to tow it with this big old hit right here. If I'm gonna tow it, might as well tow it to the body shop, but